The unseen perks of investing in build-to-rent housing. Build-to-rent housing, also known as BTR, has gained significant traction in the real estate market. Developers build entire communities for rental purposes rather than selling individual units to buyers. This strategy contrasts the traditional real estate model, where properties are typically acquired to sell later for a profit. This trend is gaining popularity due to its potential for long-term rental income and the evolving needs of today's housing market. This is particularly attractive for long-term investments that yield consistent returns. The concept of build-to-rent housing offers a unique opportunity for investors to capitalize on the trend of urbanization and changing lifestyle preferences. Offering long-term rental options is especially important for individuals and families who may not be able to afford homeownership but still want to establish roots in a community. As tenants stay longer in their rental homes, they become more invested in the neighborhood and form stronger bonds with their neighbors. Investing in build-to-rent housing benefits the local economy and fosters a vibrant community ecosystem. This increased economic activity can lead to the creation of job opportunities, further enhancing the socioeconomic landscape. Moreover, the strategic placement of BTR properties in emerging neighborhoods can catalyze urban revitalization, attract new enterprises, and ignite a cycle of sustainable economic growth and development. From fostering a sense of belonging and creating affordable housing options to promoting sustainable living and supporting local businesses, BTR properties can positively impact investors and communities.